So this will be a water test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the iPhone 10, as you can see right there. Now I am outside, there's a lot of wind, some road noise and stuff, and it's about to get dark. Two phones, got my bucket right there, my Home Depot bucket, and my hose. So let's take a quick look at the two phones real fast. Here's the iPhone, as you can see. And here's the Galaxy Note 9. Right there. Take this and just put it in the bucket. Do the same thing with the Note. So you can see. Gonna take my hose right here. Let's do it. Will they survive? I don't even know. Should I go all the way to the top? Might as well, since I'm here. Almost there. Woo! A little bit of a mess, not too bad. All right, so put this away. Thank you, hose. And let's check out the phones. All right, looks like they're still functional. There's like a plane going overhead, so don't mind that. But, all right. Now these phones are both IP, or actually the Note 9, IP68 water and dust resistant, iPhone 10 IP67. But I'm very confident that the phones will survive this simple test. So let's just go check it real quick. Let's see, which one should I grab first? Let's grab the iPhone. Yeah, give it a little shake in the water there. Why not? Woo! Look at that. Okay. Now for fairness, let me just get this one out too, all right? Now yeah, somebody's gonna say, oh, the Note 9 was in there for like 30 seconds longer. Yeah, well, I only have two arms, so yeah. Give this a little shake. All right, seems to be still functional. All right, so let's test the phones out real quick. Let's go to YouTube right now. Where's my YouTube? Check the speaker and connect to the internet. Looks like the iPhone disconnected from the Wi-Fi for some reason. Interesting. And same thing with the Note 9. What is going on here? I don't have internet? Or did my router decide to take a dump? What is going on here? Okay, connecting. That's my Wi-Fi, so let's okay, we're connected on the Note 9. Okay, a little bit of a boo-boo there. So let's go to YouTube right now and let's play this. This is my background music. I'm gonna put it next to the mic. All right, now the speaker sounds a little bit hollow, but let the phone dry out. Let the phone dry out, should work. Now, I don't know what the hell's going on with the iPhone here. Disconnecting nearby Wi-Fi until tomorrow? I don't want to do that. I need this thing to work. So let's, not sure what's going on here with the iPhone. Oh, here we go. Got Wi-Fi back. And let's see. Play this. Volume's at max. Put it next to the mic. Okay, sounds kind of messed up, but let the phone dry. I think that will be just fine. So overall, I think these phones survived. I think. Let's see, should we take a quick picture? Why not? Let's take a quick pic. Make sure the camera's all right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a picture of the iPhone. Like that. And do the same thing with the iPhone. Take a picture of the Note. So you can see live focus right there. There it is. Open this up. And taking a quick look at the pictures. They look nice and sharp. So I think the camera, for the most part, is fine. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this quick little water test. Peace out.